would love to live on a farm. That would be a dream come true. But right now I'm working on so much music. I have a new song coming out, which is about not giving up, and it's for everyone. Because again, I'm not against. I'm a part of our society, and so this next song is truly for anyone who feels hopeless. And I hope through this song to show that no matter your struggle, you'll get over it, and you'll be fine. I'm with you. We're with you. Just uh, don't shut yourself out. Don't just talk, speak to me, or speak to someone you love. I think that's what the whole song is. And next, I would love to explore more Kurdish music from different parts. I'm so interested in discovering music from Rojava and Rojava and Bakur, and I'm interested in how these melodic different kind of lyrics, and especially the traditional one, how can I mix this with the pop music I'm doing,
Mm.
and with Sorani music. I'm so interested in this next chapter of traveling to other parts of Kurdistan.